was not only the bigwigs that think about saving energy. A class 11th student of DPS RK Puram, Akanshit, started with spreading awareness about saving electricity at his school, with his classmates following suit.
Demonstrating the power of small but consistent efforts towards achieving bigger things in life is this class 11th student of DPS RK Puram in New Delhi. Conserving electricity serves the double purpose of helping stop global warming and saving money over time, a message that Akanshit wants to spread.
What our work is to go around the school, wherever, at whatever time of the day, wherever we see that unnecessarily electricity is being wasted and nothing is being done about it. What we do is, as activists, we go and try and do our best to save electricity, to max out our potentials, and to do the best, because ultimately it's for this noble cause.
His efforts did not end here. He even developed a device which shows the power consumption at any given time so that immediate steps can be taken to reduce it.
So RACE stands for Reader for Activism in Conservation of Electricity, RACE. So this device is primarily split up into 4 regions or 4 zones, which are colored, as you can see. And what it does is it tells you your instantaneous power consumption as to how is it wearing.
His school stands by him in his endeavor as the principal lauds his bright student.
I am very happy that he has given something very beneficial to the school, that is Daily Power Saver, DPS, and it is a awakening call for everybody, particularly the student at all the schools, that they should learn this culture to save energy.
His effort is multiplied as many other students have joined hands with him to create awareness about this cause.
It's all about doing and inspiring. So instead of telling people, you know how we all say actions speak louder than words, instead of going up to people and telling them that you should do this, do it yourself and inspire your friends around you. So switch off the fans when you're not in class. When you're going outside for your PE periods, switch off your lights and fans and let the people around you see. So by the end of it, say a month, maybe they'll laugh at you, but after that they'll get used to it and they'll start doing it themselves.
You should save electricity because it prevents global warming, and if we don't, it could be really bad for us. And that to save electricity, we should start solar things and use things which take less electricity, like CFLs instead of bulbs and all.
This enthusiastic group of students is showing us how even small energy saving tips can go a long way in protecting the environment.